In the dense jungles of India, an unusual sight unfolded. A pack of fearless dogs, led by a brave alpha, had a daunting task ahead. They needed to protect their territory from a group of encroaching tigers. With determination in their eyes, the dogs sprang into action. They barked ferociously, their voices echoing through the trees as they chased the tigers through the underbrush. The tigers, taken by surprise, tried to outmaneuver the agile dogs, but found themselves outpaced. The dogs used their speed and numbers to their advantage, nipping at the heels of the tigers, driving them away from their home. The relentless pursuit continued until the tigers, realizing they were outmatched, retreated into the depths of the jungle. The dogs returned to their territory, victorious and proud. Their bravery ensured the safety of their home, proving that even the mightiest of predators could be driven away by a united and determined pack.